Here's a 400-word fictional script about a 1979 Fortuner. Note that the Toyota Fortuner was first introduced in 2004, so a 1979 version doesn't exist in reality. However, I'll create a retro-styled fictional story as if a Fortuner model existed back then. Title: The 1979 Fortuner A ahead of its time. Opening scene: grainy footage of a dusty desert highway. 1970s funk music plays in the background. Narrator: VO. In a decade ruled by muscle cars and gas guzzlers, one vehicle dared to challenge the rules. Built for the wild, designed for the bold. This is the story of the 1979 Fortuner. Cut to close-up of a rugged, boxy SUV cresting a hill. Chrome glints in the sunlight. Narrator: VO. While other automakers chased speed, Fortuner was chasing horizons. With its 2.8 liters inline-4 diesel engine, 4WD drivetrain, and a no-nonsense manual transmission, it wasn't about how fast you got there but where you could go. Interior shot: simple dashboard with analog gauges, cloth seats, and a CB radio. Narrator: VO. Inside, the Fortuner was utilitarian and no frills, all function. Built tough, built simple, and built to last. Air conditioning, optional. Grit, standard. Scene: a family loading up for a weekend camping trip. Father: packed the fishing rods. Son: yeah, and the maps too. Mother: smiling, we won't need them, this baby can take us anywhere. Narrator: VO. From rocky trails to muddy back roads, the 1979 Fortuner tackled it all. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't delicate, but it was dependable. And in a world changing fast, that meant something. Scene shifts to a mechanic wiping his hands in a garage. Mechanic: these things, built like tanks. I've seen them run 300,000 miles and still want more. Final montage: the Fortuner splashing through rivers, parked as scenic overlooks, silhouetted against a sunset. Narrator: VO. It didn't make headlines, it didn't win races, but it won hearts. The 1979 Fortuner A, not just a vehicle, a way of life. Text on screen: the Fortuner, for those who make their own roads. Fade to black. Would you like a version of this script tailored for a video ad, short film, or podcast?